Good morning everyone. I am Shumash Devakar from Team Beta, team leader of Team Beta. So let's start with our project. Our project is vehicle to vehicle communication and smart traffic coordination system. So let me tell you about something. Do you know aircraft share their location, position, speed to each other in a certain radius. So our idea is to do same with the vehicles. If vehicles share their location, speed to other car in a certain areas, it can effectively reduce effectiveness and many things like that. So my friend now give you. So now my friend Sudhanshu will tell you about introduce the system to you.
Now, the introduction of this project. While helping use alien heavy technology, similarly we use this technology in our roadways where different vehicles communicate with each other and maintain safety and prevent from accidents. Now here you can see this in picture. The different cars are communicating with various wireless module and sensor and maintain the traffic flow.
Principles are following. Each vehicle will be fitted with microcontrollers, GPS modules, which will help to share the location of the present vehicle to the another vehicle, and wireless modules, which will conclude about the communication between the other vehicles, and sensor inputs, which will help us to gather the information or the data from the other vehicles and make us alert about every single movement and display alert output. As you can see, many accidents are happening. So to overcome this, we can use display alert outputs. Now one of our teammates, Subhash, will tell you about working principles.
So I will like to tell you about the work. Let's start with first the car will collect the data and broadcast the data to another vehicle, position, speed, and heading where it is heading to. Second, nearby vehicles will receive the data for situation analysis. So now next, conclusion or sudden stop alerts trigger warning message to other cars. If the AI detects that there can be a collision between the two cars, it will inform both the cars to stop. If both cars do not stop, the emergency brake will be automatically applied. Next, emergency vehicles send priority signals so other cars shift to alternate lanes, clearing a path. So what this means? This means if any emergency vehicle like ambulance or fire brigade is coming and it is hurry to reach his destination, and whole road is full of cars. Let's suppose road is of two lane and some cars are present in both of the lanes, and if from behind an ambulance or any emergency vehicle approaches, emergency vehicle will send a message to all the cars present in the area to get into another lane. So one lane will be empty for the emergency vehicles to be, and this will help to get fast to the emergency.
Now let's talk about the feature of this project. Real-time location and speed data sharing. As you see in this figure, the vehicle-to-vehicle transferring of data is shown in the figure from the roadside unit. Here, the different vehicles are communicating via their speeds is shared to the different cars. This prevents the collision between two cars and traffic flow will be maintained. Next, it's collision risk alert. Now let's suppose if the driver of this car is unconscious and he is not able to see the obstacle above, the vehicle sensor, the warning sound is automatically generated to alert this driver, and if nothing has happened, initial brake is applied, and if still nothing is required, auxiliary brake or automatically brake. Next it is automated lane clearing for emergency vehicles. As you see in this picture, यहाँ पे एम्बुलेंस है जो कि कहीं से आ रहा है, आगे यहाँ पे रोड पे सारे व्हीकल्स स्प्रेड हैं, तो सभी व्हीकल्स को इन्फॉर्मेशन आ जाएगी कि पीछे से एम्बुलेंस आ रहा है, जिससे वो अलर्ट हो जाएंगे कि एक सेपरेट लेन प्रोवाइड करेंगे उस एम्बुलेंस को, क्योंकि एमरजेंसी नीडेड है, इसलिए वो अपनी स्पीड को इंक्रीज करके एम्बुलेंस एमरजेंसी डेस्टिनेशन पे जल्दी पहुंच पाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रैफिक फ्लो ऑप्टिमिज्म. यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक मेंटेन किया जाएगा, एज नाउअडेज ट्रैफिक इज वेरी कॉमन इशू, तो with this project, the traffic is maintained as different cars are communicating each other. This prevents collision and the traffic flow will be maintained. Next is urban and highway environment. It is ये दोनों जगह लग सकता है urban road में भी और highway road में भी to prevent the collision.
Now I will tell you about the application of this project. So let's start first application. Accident prevention and safer overtaking. Many people lost their lives while overtaking. So safer overtaking, our system will provide. Second feature, emergency response enhancement. This project will drastically reduce the timing of emergency vehicle to reach their emergency spot by like Sudhanshu explained before. Effective fleet management. Many people have many cars, many trucks which operate all over the India. So this is hard to maintain. जिनके पास बहुत सारे ट्रक्स वगैरह है वो उन्हें बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है सारे ट्रक्स वगैरह को कंट्रोल करने में.
This system के benefits के बारे में बात करते हैं. It reduces accident rates. Many people lost their life in accident, so our system will provide accident-free environment and reduces accidents. Boost average traffic speed. As the speed is shared to all the vehicles, the average speed is automatically increased. Next here, enable faster emergency response. As we see in the feature, the emergency lane is cleared when there is emergency vehicle. So this enable faster emergency response. Improve fuel efficiency and travel reliability. So here, as the speed or the different features of the car is shared to the different vehicles, the speed of the vehicle is shared to all the vehicles. This improves the fuel efficiency and travel time. Next is facilitates transition to smart connected cities. Our system will facilitate transition to smart connected cities. Our system will convert normal cities to smart cities.
So I would like to talk about the topic future scope. Potential updates include integration with 5G and IoT infrastructure, AI-driven predictive algorithms for automated intervention, data analytics for traffic planning, expansion to vehicle to infrastructure communication.
Now I would like to conclude my whole project. So our system reimagines the road safety and transportation effectiveness by connecting vehicle with real-time awareness. The project can revolutionize how cars respond to each other in case of emergency, making road smarter, faster, and safer. Thank you, everyone.